The hair is injected to the skin. Let's see the base skin. This is full skin system. It is very soft and thin. Also transparent. Can see this is the full skin system. But don't worry about the breathable because we can make little holes on the base for breathing. So when you wear it, you will feel very comfortable. The size of the base is 10-inch. Front to back is 10-inch. Side to side is 8 inches. The size is enough for many head. If your head is smaller than this, if your size is smaller than this, don't worry about it. We can cut it easily to your size. And if you need the size bigger than this one, we can also make custom orders for you. Also, this skin injection, we can make it to a wig, total wig. It's also total wig made by skin. It's also a good choice. And you can see the hair length. The hair length of this one is 20 centimeter. It is enough for many hairstyles. And we are also provide haircut service. We can make the haircut for you. We only need you send us your hairstyle or the hair length you need. Then we'll cut it to your hairstyle, also the size. Okay, do you like this one? This color is color 4, brown color. We also have other colors for choosing, like black color or other light brown color, all colors for choosing. And we are also can make custom orders for you. You can tell me your request. Okay, do you like this one? If you like this one, you can take a screenshot. We will give you a discount for thanks for watching. Very good. This base we can also make long hairs, like many of our customer like this base because the cost is lower than Swiss lace. We can make the hair length to other lengths like 50 or 40. Any hair length you like, you can let me know. We can make custom order for you. But this is our stock one. Hair length is 20 centimeter, side 10 by 8. This is ready for shipping. If you like it, you can contact us. After payment, we will ship it after 3 to 3 days. After 3 days, we will ship it. Do you like this one? Let's see. Let's see the hairline again. The hairline is the most important thing. Invisible, right? Because because this one there is no knots all over, so it is the most invisible system in our market. And because our injection system are full hand work, so it is super good. Okay, thank you for watching. Now we'll finish today's show. Okay, bye bye.